Hello and welcome to VGASM. In this episode I'm going to be showing you how to take these simple ingredients and turn them into something I think we all agree we should be eating more of. So jokes aside, this is a breakfast that will keep you going hard into the middle of the day. The slow release carbohydrates within this meal will give you tons of energy to make sure your performance is on par. I'm using Alpro's blueberry yogurt, which is a vegan yogurt. If you're not aware of it, it is pretty tasty. Quite high in sugar, I would imagine, but when you're combining it with the steel cut oats and stuff that is in this recipe, I don't think we are going to be having a lot of problems with that sugar. I think today's recipe serves as a reminder to us all that we never know what we're going to be doing a few years from now. If somebody had said I would be building lady gardens out of vegan food, I would have probably laughed my head off, but here we are. And that's got me wondering if any of you out there have got a strange job or a job that has you doing strange things. I'd love to hear about it in the comments section below this video. So I guess at this point I should mention that I'm doing this from memory, and as you can see, the geographical location of some of the elements of the lady garden are off. But that just shows you how long it is since I've had a close-up of a beautiful breakfast. So that date should obviously be a bit lower, but yeah. So moving on, I think it's important to state that, you know, this part of a woman, womb man, is a very important thing. It is the portal through which most of us enter the world, and I do feel that worshipping it in a sort of loving way, as opposed to a seedy way, is a beautiful thing. So now some tips for the guys. Work your way around the edge, taking a few spoonfuls of the delicious edge of this before working your way up to this very important date at the top. Don't just smash it, guys.